Ready to build your professional site with Website.com? Start by adding elements. On the left, click Add, and you can add text, images, shapes, Google Apps, and more. I'll just add an icon to start. Just click and drag on the corner to resize, and click on the icon to move it wherever you want. I'll also add a card to add services to my page. By clicking on an element and then clicking and dragging on the drag handle, you can move an element up and down while maintaining the layout below that element. To move an element on its own, just click anywhere on the element and move it to where you want it to go. Your site page is made up of 3 sections: the header section at the top, the body section, which is the main section of your page, and the footer at the bottom. The header and footer sections are global across your site, meaning that any size changes to these sections will apply to all of your site pages. To adjust the sizes of the sections on your site, for example, if I want to change the height of the body, just click anywhere on the section, making sure not to click on an element, and you'll see different handles, and I'll scroll down to the bottom that says to adjust body height, and I'll click and drag. And this will only affect the body height of my current page. I'm also going to click and drag on this handle to decrease the height of my footer on all of my pages. You'll notice that when you hover on elements, some are outlined in dark blue, but others are outlined in orange, like this social link bar in the footer. Elements that are outlined in orange are global and will appear on all of your website pages. For example, if you add an element to your header or footer, you'll most likely want to make them global. Just click on it, click on More, and click on the toggle so it will show on all pages. Once your desktop site is complete, don't forget to optimize your mobile. Just click on the mobile icon at the top of your editor. You can manually adjust and resize your elements, or you can click on Smart Layout to automatically fit your elements within your mobile site. On a small smartphone or tablet screen, you might want to hide certain elements on your site. Just drag them outside of the mobile view, and this element will not be seen on the mobile version of your site. Don't worry, any changes made in the mobile editor won't affect your desktop version. Lastly, click on the Pages overview to turn on your mobile view for your pages. When you're ready to take your site online, just click Publish and your site will be live.